Hey, welcome to edX World. If you are already a subscriber to this channel and you've been following the content regularly here, you must have already checked out our IGCSE accounting series. All the topics have been covered systematically in the playlist, plus videos have been uploaded on solved examples. In the last video also showed you how to solve multiple choice questions. If these videos have helped you to improve your grades or level up your preparation for the exam, then our objective of uploading these videos have been met. But if you're a student who has been struggling with concepts, you've not been able to see an improvement in your grades, and at the last moment you don't know how to study for the exam, then this video is for you. For students who are appearing in the Feb-March 2021 accounting exam, we are coming up with a crash course for IGCSE accounting. In this course, in just 15 sessions, I will be covering all the topics. I will be explaining them. I will be showing you solved examples. In the live class, I will be giving you a lot of questions for self-practice. Answers would be given so that you can check your answers. You will be getting access to theory notes. Theory in IGCSE accounting plays a very important part. Almost 30 to 40% of the paper, at least 30% of the paper is definitely going to be filled with theory questions. And we will also be giving you access to our mock test series. So at the end of the course, you can practice some mock tests, be more confident. The answers for these mock test series will also be given so that you can self-evaluate how have you done in the mock test, improve upon your mistakes, and then eventually go in the exam with a much better preparation level. All the sessions in the courses will be online. Towards the end of the video, I will be putting up the schedule of the classes, on which date, what topic I will be covering, so that you can make sure that there are no other commitments on those days. If this sounds cool and if you think you are interested in the course, please WhatsApp us or email us. All the contact details will be there in the description box below. If you want to attend only selective topics, that is also possible. Just let us know what topics you are interested in, and accordingly the details will be given to you. If you are new here, you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so before leaving. Many more videos will be uploaded in future on accounting, on other subjects as well. I'm sure it'll help you a lot in future. If you know anyone else who can benefit from this course, please share the video with them so that they can improve their grades in exam. If you have any other doubts regarding the course, you can always comment below. I will be replying to all your comments and queries. I'll see you soon in a new learning video. Thank you.